Hey guys, it's Wild Coilz, and today I am going to show you how to do some hair wraps because sometimes you have days like this, like this, where you don't want to do your hair and you just need to cover it up so nobody sees it. So so I'm going to show you guys a couple different of my favorite head wraps with a couple of different scars. Also, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe below because I'm trying to build up my gang, you know what I'm saying, you know, my wild ones. So go ahead and subscribe below and let's get it. Okay, so this video was actually inspired by Nubian Princess 13, who did ask if I could do a head wrap tutorial kind of thing. I had recorded one before and I didn't like the angle that I did it at, so I did not post it. I don't want to be just posting content that I don't like, so I did not post it, but here it is. Okay, so this first one is perfect if your hair is already in a puff and you just want to just cover it up. So this is actually a really thin scarf and it still works with this one. So I'm going to show you first with this. So you want to pull it all the way over your head. And depending on what you like, I'm going to actually just wrap this one. So I'm going to make sure I pull, come up, and I'm going to just kind of wrap this one around my puff because I'm just looking for more of a type of like Nubian look, you know what I'm saying? Got my little African going on, you know what I'm saying? It's all about the tucking when you're doing a hair wrap. You just gotta know exactly where to tuck and hide. Okay. So since this one's a little thin, so, but yeah. So it's all about tucking and hiding. And here we go. So this is a very loose one, and this will stay on as long as you're not flailing. Well, look at that. So this is a lot thicker, and it's a lot bigger too. So you want to make sure your sides are even. The same type of method. Pull it down over to the nape of your neck. Go ahead and meet in the middle. And for this one, you could either you could either twist, or you can just twist here. So I'm just gonna twist here. This is a head wrap I actually wore today. So pull your ears out. And depending on how tight you like it, go ahead and twist up. And then rope that bad boy around. And just tuck and tuck. And this is head wrap number 2. And the puff is in the middle. You see that, girl? You know, lay those edges if you want to. You know, pull little baby hairs down, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And, yeah. If you want a looser look, you can definitely do it loose. And with that, I mean, just gently, or put these a little more wide. So, for instance, this one, I'm not rolling it, so it's a lot wider. I'm gonna come under, and I'm going to twist a little bit and tuck. Tuck, 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 tuck. Same thing with this side. I'm not gonna twist, but I am gonna make it a little wider. Wrap it around. I twist the ends a little bit so I can tuck them. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. And now I have like a bigger head wrap. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm talking about? Okay. Now the rest of these head wraps require your hair to be a little flatter, pull back. Maybe when you're letting your twist set, or if your hair is just at a low ponytail, you gotta go ahead and pull this back. So you may see a little bulge behind, but don't mind that. So just act like it's not there. So this one's a little thicker because I like thick for this actual style. So you're also, again, gonna put it towards the nape of your neck. And this is probably the most common way that people do their head wraps. And I like to twist mine like a twist. And then wrap it around the front, just around the front, and tuck it right back through the middle. See that? And this is a little knot, and they come in different sizes, obviously. If you have a thinner scarf, your knot's gonna be a little smaller. So here it is, the classic head wrap. Get your big earrings on, girl. Get your lipstick, and just work it, okay? Okay. If you want it, again, you can also do this a lot looser to be bigger. And there it is. But when you do it bigger, sometimes you want to put like a bobby pin to pull it down, but not all fabrics are big enough for you to do that. You know what I'm saying? Just to secure it, but this is too big for me. It feels like I have another head on my head, but some people like that. It's gonna go the opposite way. So make sure I got it in the middle. You could put this as up on your forehead as you want, or you could put it as back if you want to slay your edges. I'm gonna just put mine right there. You want to bring it to the side and twist it, or you can twist it like a twist, depending on, you know, if you like that style better. It adds a little more. It adds a little dynamic to the twist. But you want to go ahead and twist it and pull this over your head, just like that. And then tuck it in the back. Right? So this is like, I wore this for Juneteenth. I like this look. And it's just like a classic, you know, like the side bun, Alicia Keys kind of, you know what I'm saying? So there's this side bun situation. And if you use another type of head wrap, that depending on, you know, the bun could be smaller or bigger, however you might like it, but this is actually pretty cute. You know, get your hoop earrings on, very like 2000s-y, you know what I'm saying, vibes. Okay, so there's that. This last one I'm going to show you is like you pull your hair back. My hair is not very the way I want it to be because I had it in a high puff, but you pull your hair back. And by the way, if you don't have a lot of hair, or your hair is not at the volume you want, you can always take one of these and just like roll it up and put it on top of your head. You know what I'm saying? So for instance, where I had my puff right here, you can put this up there and wrap around the scarf that's there. Or you can always do a scarf underneath it and then tie another scarf on top, if you understand what I'm saying. So there's that. But I pull my hair back, and make sure this is even on the sides. Again, this is another one you can pull up or back as much as you like. Slay those edges, you know what I'm saying? And this one is kind of like the front one where you want to twist it, but you also want to wrap it like around your puff. So you want to wrap around your puff, go underneath, and then you want to find somewhere to tuck it. And try to do this without pulling the headband off. And so then do your other side the same exact way. You just want to wrap it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We just trying to wrap. And I always see ladies with dreads who do this, but guess what? You don't have to have dreads to do it. Slay these edges, and here is our final look. This is one of my favorite head wraps that I don't wear as much as I would like to. Don't ask me why, I just don't know. But I like this one. Get your hoop earrings and do your thing, boo. Slay your head wrap. Okay, that is it for my head wraps. If you'd like to see more, comment below. So if you'd like to see different ones, comment below. Comment below also your favorite ones. And then let me know, like, do you wrap your hair? How often do you wrap your hair? That kind of thing. Let me know. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Leave those comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. I am not shy. And then go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to get my, my thing up. You know what I'm saying? Support your girl. Alright, wild ones. See you on the next video.